got some news for everyone. I'm thinking buying two phrases. With the rain, there is thunder, and 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 what was that? And also, when rain starts falling, there is bound to be thunder. Only way to get those phrases now is by asking me. So I'll be deporting all videos. You will never get my permission. Otherwise, that's illegal. Bad. Okay. I hope you like the news. If you got any of those videos, you better get my permission. And I wanted to say no, yes. Maybe a yes. But you just have to promote my channel too. Both of them. YouTuber Solomon and John Paul. Thanks, bye.